Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a little bit of a special one today. I was invited out to the Squatch Ranch for a plow day, so we're waiting for Alexander to get here. Pete, standing by my loader because he doesn't want to be in the shot, is here, and we're ready to go. So as soon as Alexander gets here, and I gotta get some more coffee, but we'll be on the road. Well, we're all here. Let's get on the road.
Minnesota bound.
So we've been on the road for almost an hour and a half now, and we finally hit paved roads. Honest to God, we just drove like 20 some miles on a dirt road. It wasn't bad, I mean, but we are finally on pavement, which is actually really nice. So hopefully we're getting close. My only concern is the rain. I hope we don't get rained out on our fun plow day ahead. Looks like we're in the right spot.
Yeah. Just a little moist.
Yep. Yeah, that's a little worrisome, but hopefully the rain quits. And they're out there plowing already with cats. There's a TD with a disc. Pretty cool. And there is the red shed. That's where all the cool stuff is hiding. I spotted a squatch. There's Senior right there, hiding from the rain. All right, we're walking up from the red shed, up past the treasures. It's got this nice rock pile that needs to be crushed. Wonder how he's gonna do that one. See, there's a parts machine over there. Back in behind that tree. It's got a nice property here. Nice rolling hills. Yeah, that red one there is the TD. Yeah. Nice looking machine from here. Good. Pretty cool.
Oh, looks like here's the popular stuff.
Here comes a Moline. Has he got a two bottom there? Looks like it, yeah. In fact, that almost looks like the one I have. No, maybe not. What's this cat? Pulling a disc, he's cruising right along. And if we don't move, we're going to get run over by the big one here. Big rock in here. Ooh. Right there. Alright, Senior's gonna bring the backhoe in here and we'll get this out of here. He hit a big rock, popped the hitch loose. one. And we think there's another one right here. Oh yeah, he hit one right there. A bunch of them in there. You know, I'm not sure, but it looks like you need a rock crusher.
I think so. I know a guy that's fixing one for us too.
Do ya?
Trying to.
Well, they're making some pretty serious progress out here on this field. It's cutting nicely. A lot of rocks though, the D6 and the 5 bottom. He's really picking out the rocks. He's gotten some big ones there. That last one you watched Senior dig out, that he's not going to be able to get that out, lift that out, but definitely making some good progress. I see Squatch has got the drone out, if you can see it there, filming, so a lot of activity, a lot of guys out here with tractors having a good time, but definitely getting this opened up. Some nice ground out here. Well, they're making some really good progress out here. Remember that rock Senior dug out a little while ago is right out there. So we've come quite a ways, not much left here for plowing. Maybe we'll go check out the rock crusher yet, but here comes the D6 with the 5 bottom and the D4 with the disc way over there. This has been kind of pretty neat seeing this done with the cats. Definitely something I haven't personally seen before, just on Squatch's videos. So, well, there he is way over there. I don't know if you can see. I can't see in my little screen on the camera, but pretty cool. Well, a lot of really nice tractors showed up today to plow, and quite a lot of fun actually to watch this, especially them cats. I'd never seen that done in person. Like I said, really cool watching a cat tractor do what a cat tractor is supposed to do. You know, a lot of the early cats, the dozer blade was an accessory added that I know of. I used to own a D2, and they never had a plow on them, or a blade. They were a tractor. That's what they were. So seeing them in an agricultural setting is really cool to watch. So a lot of fun today, but let's go see if we can check out that rock crusher. So I spotted this wagon gear when we pulled in, and I've seen it in some of his videos, but I was looking at this because just now, and this is I'm pretty sure a McCormick Deering wagon gear, the same as what I built my water wagon off of, but this is a slightly earlier version. It uses the earlier wheels for the wood axles, and it's got some conversion adapter here, but this is the earlier version of my wagon. That's pretty cool. Really likes that. They're hard to find. I've been looking for another one to build something else. This one's pretty neat, actually. Hey, look who I found.
Yeah.
Finally. He's been hiding all day.
Oh, I've been running, keeping everybody going.
Putting out fires everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, here it is.
Wow, check out this beauty. That is one good looking D2.
Thank you.
Best thing I ever did was get rid of mine.
You used to have one?
Yes, I did.
Might have showed up here. I think there's about 5 on the property.
I'll have to look around. I might recognize it if it's here. But here's what we're here to see.
The big iron. That one's heavy. It's all I can do to push it on wheels across the floor.
Yeah. So yeah, this thing is absolutely massive. What's the throat on it?
I think it's, let's see, is it on the tag? I want to say it's like a 9x11. I think, no, it's not on the tag.
No.
It's like a 9x11 or 9x18. I can't remember.
Okay.
It's in that neighborhood.
So that big one senior dugout, we're not putting through this.
No, not fit. I would bet this casting alone probably weighs at least, I'd say it probably weighs 5,000 pounds, just as it sits.
Yeah.
It's all I can do to roll this across the floor on casters. To get it back here, we actually pushed it with the tractor, and it's on wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of weight to move around. So here is the actual hammer that goes in there that you may have saw in his video, him taking it out. And this is where the bearings are. This is where that eccentric shaft runs. So that Babbitt actually looks pretty good. I don't see any reason to repair that. The top caps probably look about as good. So very impressive piece. I'll take a look at some of the other toys in the shed here. There's a W4. Old cat grater. I had one of these at one time for about a day. And then decided it was better to get rid of it. Oh, that's a beautiful little dozer there. Cat 10. And there's the guy that ran it last. Still got his hams in hand. Good operator. And of course we got to look at the Super M. This is a later M, later than mine. Very nice.
Still got the old tension throttle instead of the notched version.
Yep. So there's. Yeah. Too nice to use. Way too pretty.
Yeah, too nice to use.
Well, they're still out there discing, but yeah, boy, it looks nice. Quite a fun day. And I'll tell you what, that brisket they smoked up.
Oh, that was
Oh,
very good.
it makes me want to build a smoker.
Subtle foreshadowing.
Yeah, that day is coming very soon. So we're on the road. We're heading back to Vulcanvania and back to the shop. Alright everybody, welcome back to Vulcanvania. Somewhere in the barn up here is a roller coaster going to a Mr. Bone Stripper, but I don't know where. Well, I guess we'll end the video here because that was a fun time. Actually way better than most shows we go to. There was actually stuff being done. Plowing and we got to check out Squatch's nice collection of stuff. He's some beautiful machines in there. We almost had the fear that the D2 that I got rid of years ago might have been in there, and luckily he did not buy it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, lots of neat stuff coming, and catch you on the next one.